Hey, it's Danielle, and today we're going to be unboxing one of my favorite specialty survival food collections, the 4 Patriots Plant-Based Protein Kit. This is a kit that will add great taste, versatility, and variety to your survival food stockpile. Before we start unboxing all this awesome plant-based yumminess and get cooking, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap that little bell right beside it. You'll get notifications each time we post a new video, and we've got some really great things to share you won't want to miss. Now, how did we come up with this kit? Well, so many of our customers told us they are looking for meaty, plant-based choices that still taste amazing and provide the protein our bodies need to thrive without the added fat and cholesterol. After months of cooking up just the right mix of meaty alternatives, our plant-based protein kit was born. Are you ready to dig into all this plant-based goodness? Okay, let's see what we've got. One of the best features of this kit is this great tote that holds all your individual food pouches. You can store it almost anywhere, and it keeps your food protected and tidy. So the first protein powerhouse I'm going to showcase here is our black bean burger mix. My kids love the taste and texture of it, and I have to agree with them. The black bean burgers, off the charts delicious. They even enjoy helping prepare them and molding them into the perfect size patty. Dress up your burger any way you want to, from mushrooms and Swiss cheese to an all-American everything burger with all the fixins. There is no wrong way to make a burger with this great stuff. Our black bean burger mix can also be used to make killer chili, hearty meat sauce, casseroles, and more. Beans not only pack a powerful punch when it comes to protein, they provide essential fiber too. You could even try some with our known as secret spaghetti or marinara lasagna recipes. You'll get 16 servings of black bean burger mix in this kit, plenty for all kinds of meaty options. The next protein superstar on our list is our beef flavored plant-based protein. Just like our black bean burger mix, you can use this beefy meat substitute for chili, spaghetti meat sauce, chili mac, sloppy joes, and more. And whichever way you decide to prepare it, you'll be getting 11 grams of muscle-building protein per serving. And you'll get 16 servings of our beef-flavored protein for all your favorite recipes. But you know, sometimes you feel like having something a bit lighter, like chicken. Our chicken-flavored plant-based protein is the perfect go-to for stir-fries, pasta dishes like chicken Alfredo, or favorites like white chicken chili. It's easy to use in almost any traditional chicken dish and draws in seasonings well to round out the taste of your main course. With this kit, you'll get a cluckful of chicken to use with, a total of 16 servings. Okay, now we're going to get to my absolute favorite part of this incredible protein lineup, taco flavored plant-based protein. Doesn't that look delicious? And our taco protein isn't just for tacos. You can use this protein in enchiladas, burritos, tostadas, nachos, queso dip, taco salad, and even Mexican-style tortilla soup. It can also add an unexpected but tasty twist to huevos rancheros. When I make mine, I simply layer the taco protein on top of the refried beans already on the tostada, add your poached or fried eggs, some salsa, ranchero sauce, and cojita cheese for an unforgettable breakfast. With 8 total servings of our taco protein, you'll have more than enough for several taco nights. Okay, so we've talked about the meaty protein contenders in this kit, but there's one that delivers a wallop of protein, 29 grams per serving, and tastes just like a dessert. Yep, you guessed it, our chocolate survival shake. To keep it totally plant-based, I like to use almond milk. There's so many kinds of plant-based milks out there. Just pick your favorite. And you can jazz up your survival shake any way you like by adding strawberries, a banana, even peanut butter. Now, this chocolate survival shake is good enough to enjoy on any regular day, but it's especially great when you've got to hunker down at home. Doesn't this look like a decadent dessert? One thing you might want to do is keep a Patriot Power blender nearby. It's the perfect size for smoothies or protein shakes at home or on the go. I keep one of these compact blenders close at hand and fully charged so I can enjoy these survival shakes anywhere. But don't worry if you don't have a blender handy. You can simply make this with water in a regular glass with a spoon to stir or plastic shaker bottle. In a pinch, you can even make it in the individual serving pouch. You'll get 8 servings of this decadent chocolate treat, more than enough to satisfy your sweet tooth while giving yourself a boost of muscle-building protein. This plant-based protein kit is one of the best ways to add variety to your family's survival food stash. The versatility you get here is almost unmatched, and the stuff you can make here is limited only by your imagination. Do you have some recipes in mind for this kit? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing about all the ways you use our specialty kits. We've got more videos in the works, so please be sure to hit that subscribe button. See you soon.